back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is from well-known company Capital One. They are in banking, credit cards, all the finance things, and they are hiring with what I consider very little experience. They're only going to require 1 year of customer service experience and no college degree. Now, 1 year of customer service can be anything where you've done something for another person. It is called transferable skills. It doesn't mean that you've had to be working in a call center or customer service type environment. Customer service experience can be anything from serving in a restaurant to waiting tables to being a cashier in like a retail department store. It can be working at McDonald's, taking orders, serving customers. It can be babysitting. That is it. We are going to dive on in. The links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you find this job lead helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. Now, Capital One is hiring a work-from-home remote customer service coordinator. This is remote for the United States only. I do know that California and Hawaii are excluded from that, but this is for most of the United States. They are looking for a customer service coordinator for their card accounting servicing department. So their credit card lines and things like that. But they're basically just looking for someone to be their voice. They will champion you. It says the best people listen and then say, "How can I help you?" And that is what they do at Capital One. So they're looking for someone to basically just answer the phones and answer any questions that the customer has, making sure you listen to the customer and solve their issues. Now it says more than just training, more about you. They don't require a whole lot of experience because they're going to offer a lot of training programs for you. So they have paid training. These training programs in your day-to-day work, it says you'll find successful associates at Capital One. They're going to train you how to demonstrate the ability and willingness to learn, demonstrate a strong customer focus, communicate effectively, exercise good judgment skills, and how to be proactive. So they're going to train you in all these skills that you need. They are paying $21 an hour for this position, plus they're offering a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. But as far as what they're looking for, their only qualifications is a high school diploma or GED and that 1 year of customer service that I mentioned. Now, it does note that you do have to have a reliable internet connection. Cellular data hotspots are not able to work, and it looks like because they outline all of the internet connections that you need, that it does kind of seem to me like they are going to provide the computer equipment you need to get started, although I couldn't find where it specifically said that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind. Again, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.